So I'm doing a vlog, and each time I enter my city, going to work, I see you guys taking photos. I want to confirm, how do you guys really work?
We are street photographers.
I know you guys are street photographers.
Yes.
How do you guys actually start this?
It's like we saw it like as a good business. Like if you steal pictures from somebody, some people they like stealing pictures. So that's how we started. Started from there, we take a picture from somebody, not knowing we're taking a picture, and then we show him more. If he's interested with those pictures, or if he like more pictures, now we can look for a good place to take pictures, and then we get to charge.
So is this street photography, is it profitable?
Very profitable.
It's profitable, yes.
Are you serious?
Yeah. The days are not the same.
You see,
Some days you make, some days don't make a lot.
Sometimes you make a lot, sometimes you don't make a lot.
you see the thing also.
Sorry, come this side. Sorry, go up the sun.
Okay.
No, you come.
Okay. You see what happened also. Sometimes there's other people who are photographing like in the mall. They pay there, see. Like here in the street, you don't have to pay.
Oh.
Another thing, who are going to pay on the street? Then you make also people, they cross here. When you are on the mall, you wait for people to come to you, you see.
Okay, yeah. Instead of them coming to you now, you just capture them while they're walking.
While they're walking, you see.
Like the way my brother is doing right now.
Like the way they are doing, you see. Then we're going to show the person. He's going to show the picture to the person. Then if he's interested, you can take the picture.
So it's like now, many people, they are used to these pictures.
Yeah.
They will be knowing that if we go in this direction, we will be taking pictures. So
they purposely come to your direction.
Come in your direction, knowing that
You see, a customer can come here, take
they're going to
picture.
steal us.
Go that side.
Are you serious?
Take also picture. That is what people who
some
like
people,
picture.
they'll just come for the pictures, ask you, please, can you take me pictures? Let's go this way. Let's go there. Let's go there. Let's go there. Some people, they just come knowing that if I go this way, obvious. They come
Okay, on average, on a daily basis, how much is your average they make?
On daily basis, when the days are not going well, you can start like a take home. You can take 400.
400 rand.
Yes.
And
after you remove your transport money, after you remove your money for food, the take home.
it's like 400.
On the days which are not busy, but on the busy days, you can make 1,000.
Wow. So like how much do you take for one picture?
15 rand.
15?
Yeah,
1.5.
Yes.
Wow.
But that price is negotiable. Some people, they'll come say, I only have 10 rand. So if I'm not busy,
You just
I would rather take
Or
it.
some other guys also, you take maybe 30, 40 pictures. You see, it's a lot of money.
Oh.
Then they can give you offer like maybe 300 or 200. Then you send the pictures, you see.
Wow. Do you print?
Yes, me if I have to, I can print.
So like I want to ask you one last question. Where are you guys from?
Me, I'm from Malawi.
You from where?
From Zim.
Wow. And what about you? Maputo. Interesting. And I see a lot of you guys, like sometimes so many on the road.
Did you go that side before?
I'm coming from there. I didn't see anybody. That's why I came here.
Oh.
I know I will find you guys here
It was on lunch, but now it's
It was
back.
raining. Some people didn't come.
because it's raining.
Yeah.
So like on a normal ground, how many are you guys? Like if you want to calculate, how many are you on the
Only here.
street? Yes,
20 something here.
20 something.
Yes.
And you guys have clients.
Yes. You see what happened? The time I'm busy with you, other people they are
Yeah,
passing. You
whoa.
see, it's a busy area. You can be like, yeah, this place will
So
be
you guys are just only on this Adley Street.
yeah, one from here to the other
See,
street.
people are going to the train. People are going to the taxis. People are going to go to the buses.
We are
Their
going
way.
waterfront.
Oh, I see that. I see that.
People, they're coming from the taxis. People are coming from the trains. The outside, they pass through this way. Either going to their work, going to the taxis to Sea Point, going to the taxis to Green Point, or they are going to waterfront.
The harass you guys like, hey, don't take me pictures. Hey, delete my pictures.
It's a lot. It's a lot. They say, why you take me a
Even now
picture?
can happen.
They say, why you take me a picture?
So they ask you why you taking pictures.
Yeah, why you take me a picture? So that this picture is for you. You have to see.
Take me a picture.
No, don't take me picture.
So
I'm gonna
it's
sue
like-
you. You see. It's
For-
copyright.
Copyright.
Yeah.
Yes, game win and
But
lose.
others, they say, no, thank you, I don't have money, like that. The people who don't know about it, they talk nonsense.
Oh, those that don't know about it, they talk nonsense.
But the one who knows how we work, they'll just say, "You just don't have money." Okay, let me see. They'll see and then they'll pass. So the one who don't know, they don't even want to see. They'll just say, "Why taking pictures? What?" And then they go.
So among you guys, among the guys that work here, do you have South Africans among you guys?
Yeah, no South Africa, but Camps Bay there.
In Camps Bay, you have South Africans.
There are a lot of South Africans.
So there is also this being done in Camps Bay too,
Yeah, on the beach, at the beach.
on the beach. Oh, the client finally accepts and likes the photo, and he wants you to give to them. How do you send it to them?
We send through WhatsApp.
Or you take their number and send it through WhatsApp.
Through WhatsApp, the same quality which comes from the camera, that's the one we should transfer to the phone. So that's why many people they like it. The quality of the camera. That's how we send it. We send it through the same quality of the camera. It comes to the phone, which is the HD quality.
Okay. So now, is that not like a kind of like a database for you to talk to your clients later on, tell them to call you for photos later on? Do you get people after you send them, they call you later on for, let's say they're having a birthday or a party?
Mostly that's how we make money now, according to the good quality of the pictures. When the client is happy with the pictures, he can tell you that, let's say you could an event, a birthday, a party, or a wedding. He said, "I want you to be my photographer. How much can you charge me for the whole day or for these hours?" And then we take it from there.
So that's how you make more money.
Exactly. So some people, it's like they're gonna need like those pictures to be printed. Then we as cameramen, we know where to print, where they are cheap. Then we charge more, an extra fee for us to gain a profit. Then we're gonna print for them. But mostly we deal with digital pictures. We send through WhatsApp.